Imagine a cosmic recycling bin, one that doesn't just hold waste but actually transforms old dead stars into new celestial wonders. Every planet, every star are made from recycled cosmic material. But how does this universe recycle its scraps? How do dead stars give birth to new ones? That's exactly what we are going to explore in today's video. So let's dive in. First, who is involved in the cosmic recycling process? The universe's biggest recyclers are the actually stars themselves. When stars live, die, and explode, they scatter their material across space, allowing new celestial bodies to form. Well, who benefits from this process? And the answer is everything from planets to asteroids to life itself. Example, the oxygen, the iron, the carbon, everything once came from dying stars. Now the next thing, what happens in the cosmic recycling process? Now, there are three main stages. First, the star death. When a star runs out of fuel, it collapses or explodes in a supernova, scattering elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron into space. Second, nebula formation. The scattered gas and dust clump together, forming giant clouds called nebula. These are like cosmic nurseries where new stars are born. Third, new stars and planets. Over time, gravity pulls these materials together, forming new stars, planets, and even the building blocks of life. Here is an example for it. Like in a forest, when a tree dies, its remains break down and enrich the soil, helping new trees to grow. Stars work the same way. Now the next thing, when does this recycling happen? Well, the cosmic recycling happens all the time across the universe. This process is continuous. However, it takes millions to billions of years for a star to complete its life cycle. Massive stars live for millions of years and explode in supernovae, spreading their materials quickly. Small stars, like our sun, take billions of years before they reach their final stage. Example, the sun is about 4.6 billion years old, and when it dies in a few billion years, it will release materials that could form new stars and planets. The next thing, where does this cosmic recycling take place? Well, this recycling happens everywhere in the universe, but some locations are especially active. First, there is supernova remnants. When a star explodes, it creates a cloud of debris that spreads elements into space. Second, nebula. These beautiful glowing clouds like the Orion Nebula are where the new stars are born from recycled materials. Third, galaxies. Spiral galaxies like the Milky Way are filled with ongoing cycles of star birth and death. Example, the Crab Nebula is the remains of a supernova that exploded in 1054 AD. Today, it's forming new stars with the same recycled materials. Now we come next, and that is, how does this recycling lead to everything we see? So, here are the three things. First, supernova spread heavy elements. Elements like iron, gold, and carbon are spread across space when a star dies. Second, new solar system form. The debris clumps together under gravity, forming new planets, moons, and stars. Third, life emerges. On planets like Earth, these elements combine to create water, air, and even life itself. Example, if stars didn't recycle elements, Earth wouldn't exist. So, even though we understand a lot about cosmic recycling, there are still many mysteries. Scientists are still trying to figure it out, like how do different types of stars contribute to element formation? Can we track the exact origins of atoms in our body? Are new galaxies also made from recycled materials? But one thing is clear, the universe wastes nothing. It recycles everything, stars, planets, everything. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Drop a comment below what fascinates you the most about the universe recycling system.